Adjusting the camera view changes the camera view direction relative to the selected rendering frame, or changes the size of the camera field of view without changing the camera position. There are three ways to adjust the camera view. The first way is to adjust the orientation of the view. You can do this by right-dragging with your mouse or by using your arrow keys. Pressing up and down tilts the view, and pressing left and right rotates the view. The second function is to adjust the camera's field of view. You can do this by pressing Shift on your keyboard and simultaneously right-dragging with your mouse, or you can use the pinch gesture on a trackpad. The final function is to point at an object. You can access this function through the Object menu, the left toolbar, and an alternate method. To use the Object menu, right-click the desired object and click Point At from the displayed options. To use the left toolbar, select the search icon, type in your desired object, and either press Enter on your keyboard or click Point At. To use the alternate method, go to an object. Details on going to an object can be seen in the Moving the Camera section of the user's guide.